how to listen music on Spotify offline. Now to do this, what you need to do is download the video on your Spotify, and for that you need to have a premium account. So I'll just show you guys how to do it. But before that, if you're new to our channel, go down below, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. Now let's just start. Now open our Spotify, and after you open the Spotify, what you need to do is find a song that you want to download. Now I'll just search for a song. I'll just click on the song. I'm just gonna click on this song right here, for example, by the Smiths, Please Please Please. And right besides the song's name, there is this plus icon right there. If I click on it, it will just get added to my liked song. Now that means it's getting downloaded. It has already been downloaded, and I can simply download the whole playlist too. So if I need to download the whole playlist, what I can do is just find a playlist first. Let me just search for a playlist. And after I've searched for a playlist, just go to the playlist, and then right beside the plus icon, there is a download button. Just click on the download button and it will start getting downloaded. So that is how you download the videos. And then if you go to your library, you'll see all the downloads right there, and these are all offline for you to listen to. So that is how you listen to music offline in Spotify. Thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned. Bye bye.